Fire investigators confirmed a person or several of them started the grass fire just outside of Boise near Pierce Park Lane. That grass fire started around 7:15 Sunday night. Firefighters fully contained it yesterday morning.
The fire started near the intersection of North Pierce Park Lane and Hill Road. Look at the flames that this thing produced. It burned only about 11 acres, but man, those 11 acres look pretty bad. While fire investigators confirmed yesterday that it was human caused, they're still working to figure out exactly how many people are involved and how they did it. No buildings were burned, though, or even threatened during the fire.
And take a look at video of the fire, as Justin mentioned. It really looks bad. You can see how huge the flames were, fortunately not close to homes. Battalion Chief Mike Walker says he was proud of just how quickly they contained this fire. Boise Fire, Eagle Fire, and the Bureau of Land Management crews all responded.
Well, we're also grateful that there wasn't too much wind to speak of. That could have really complicated this. But I'm really proud of our firefighters, the Eagle firefighters and BLM. These guys did a heck of a job, did a great job.
Boise Fire is asking for you to still not hike or bike on the trails in this area right now as they continue to investigate.